Go Vince! Go!
Hey, hi! I'm going to play auto jump offline. Yes, because this is my practicing arena.
Yes, you know guys, Vince is very professional in playing auto jump.
Yeah,
Let's watch this.
just focus on the screen and yeah. Thank you.
Go Vince!
Thank you.
Go!
Okay, focus here. What song do you want? What song do you want?
B3,
B3.
Oh. Hard, times
B3.
times 100.
Come shot. B3. Where's B3?
You're hard now, you're hard.
What speed? What speed? 9.0. You want 9.0 speed? Okay. There. 99.0. Okay, I played already.
Bilis din
Okay.
Oh, B3.
Just put my hands in the air, ha?
Naka-shades pa yan, ha? Baka masira din yung keyboard ko yan, ha? Hindi pa tapos yung mata yan. Ang bilis naman yan. Ang galing! You're so great!
Yes, thank you. Don't distract me. I have an exhibition here. You want to see? This is what we call the alternate hands. The one hand hands. And the no hand. This is what we call a miracle. The Lord give me strength. The Lord.
I-replace mo.
Dapat habang nagkakape pa.
Fuck you, bitch. Cheater. Yan ba yung salsal na salsal kasi yan. Pasmahan yan.
Thank you. You see what's my score?
Ako naman.
Thank you.